guys, so here we are. This is still in Bulls Trail Park. So the parking lot's straight that way. You can follow the shale path all the way along these houses. It's a pretty nice mellow ride. This is Heritage, I believe, right behind me. This trail is easy to find because the train bridge is right there. So yeah, we'll head over this way and have a little look. This is gonna be a crazy train we're gonna do. And yeah, here we are. Oh, backpack's hooked. Get all hooked. Morning. So as we follow Shale Path, it kind of ends on these block staircase. Right behind it, this is entrance of Barley Brew. Another super fun trail. I think it's a blue on Trail Forks. It's a black here because of the obvious exposure to your left there. But that's Barley Brew. We'll stay up for another video. We'll go do Crazy Train right now. So basically go to the Shale Path where the black staircase is and the train bridge, the high level bridge, the trestle bridge. So head over this way. It's easy, this trail just flows right in on itself. Kind of the only way to go. So this is some steep sections on this side. Shoot away. So right underneath the bridge, this part gets steep again. Usually pretty decent grip here, but this Brunswick trails all get loose. So we'll go nice and easy down here. At the end of this, there's a little kicker jump right here. Heavy on the brakes again. Shed some speed before this steep part. There's a little drop on your right you can do onto the steep section, or you can just go on the other part. Heels down, dig that bike in because this is loose and steep. There's some catch berms there. And then this corner, you've seen me wipe out before, that's a loose corner too. And then on it goes towards Par 3 golf course, and there's some nice little jumps in here. A little baby jump here, and the bigger one over here. There we are. And onto the Shale Path. And right here is Alexander Wilderness Park. So flip around, and there we are. Yeah, so Par 3 golf course is straight ahead there. This is all the Wilderness Park to my right. So that trail is it's marked as a black. I think it's appropriate. Especially for that last section, it is pretty loose and steep, but let's see, we'll go up here. Pedal up over this way, you can kind of see it from the bottom. There's those jumps. Another little jump. Baby jump. And right here. So right here you can see off the top of that coulee, it kind of snakes down. But yeah, and Lethbridge so can get really loose. We had a recent rain, so there's actually some traction on there today, but it can get super loose if we haven't had rain for a while, because we are semi-arid desert. So yeah, dry is what we are. and wind. Luckily today is gorgeous. There's very little wind. So yeah, thanks for watching and stay tuned for more videos.